Richard, those are brand new trick flow cylinder heads. What are you doing?
Drilling them.
Half-inch studs, baby. Gotta keep the head gasket on there somehow, because we ain't turning the boost down. Gordo, what are we doing now?
Some head gaskets.
We're getting ready to put the short block to a long block. This is what we got. Comp billet double roller on that one. We're gonna test fit the stock gasket to just kind of check bore sizing on the gasket. Get that garbage out of there.
50 pounds of boost. Here we go. Gaskets are on there. Studs are on there. Let's get back at it. Fire rings are in.
We got heads on the block. Now we just gotta make it look pretty and then go in the hole. How about them trick flows on that iron 6-liter? They keep the nose down, that's why we didn't put an aluminum block in it.
Timing cover going on. We'll get the rear cover ready to install. We measured pickup, make sure we have the right clearances. Everything seems good. We'll install this oil pan, flip it over, and get it in the car.
That's just a little sneak peek. Got a couple more things to bolt on this bad boy. Man, I do like them Velcros. That red looks fire on there. Put that billet. Alright, check it out. Today, with the Crown Vic, make some body mounts. Old and busted, really not much better. We're gonna try to turn that chunk of Delrin from saw cut into a bunch of little chunks into a whole bunch of these things. It's gonna make a mess. Here we go. First one. Alright, cage is welded up. We got window net mounts in. Well, this is what we got. Probably can't see the window net mounts just yet, but once we get some paint on this cage so it doesn't rust, we'll show you what that looks like. Right now we're gonna pick the body up so we can paint on the top side of all the tubes. Plan is to slide the headliner in over top of that and then lower it down on the new solid body mounts. Here it is, we got, and you'll notice those down tubes, well, they both got painted flat black. Reason for doing that is it cuts down the glare from the sun when you're trying to race. Nobody wants that, promise. You might think I screwed up because we moved these guys and those are exposed. Well, turns out these are 4 9-inch 4-link brackets and we're putting it on an 8/8. We need to move these holes up a little closer to the rear end to give us a better starting point for bar location. We like to at least start where we left off last year and then kind of make some adjustments from there. All right, well that's us. Trying to set these brackets up. Maybe not the most technical way of doing it. I can't say that I've done a ton of these things, but we're about to find out. So we've got the doublers all welded up on there. I think that's what you saw us doing last. This is gonna be a tube that we have on there to support both sides. Kind of a gusset deal there. We'll tie it into the housing, tie some more gussets into that. We do have the Tin Soldiers battle ready brace kit, so we'll brace it from here to about where the pinion nut goes. And this piece of aluminum square tube here, well, it's just there to make sure we got everything straight. Got it all kind of clamped into place. We're gonna toss some tacks down on this thing, and kind of excited because it's really flat. Everything looks really good on it. So for a bunch of guys that don't know what we're doing, I think we got it. There it is. This guy's fit up. Whip out the welder here in a second, put a couple tacks down, and well, we're getting stronger by the tube. Really unique looking. I don't think too many people run 4-link brackets on an 8/8 set out, I don't know, 1.5 inches from the tube end. Hope it works. These are the original shock brackets. That's the stock one. That's the one that we added for our coilovers. They all gotta come off. With the new location on the rear end shock, we're gonna probably mount them on the inside or somewhere else. They just don't fit where they're at anymore. So off they go. Well, that sucks, but it's done. There it is. Kind of cut a little deep in a few spots. Not super deep, just well, it'll stand out that we cut those off. Woo, gold star to Gordo. Look, he didn't even get those cut marks. A couple hammer marks, but that's about it. Gold star. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're enjoying the journey that we're taking with us. A lot of stress, a lot of long hours. We've got a very short amount of time to do a whole lot of work. So as you can tell, we're burning the midnight oil. I'm starting to feel ragged, but we should have a real good time at Sick Week. Hopefully we make it.